Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. In this course, we are going to discuss the features and functionalities of SAP Customer Master Data. I will explain how you could leverage these features to avoid duplication of effort, minimize mistakes, and maintain a single source of truth for your entire customer base. This module specifically talks about the basics of SAP Customer Master and how to create one in the system using the menu or T-codes. We will also discuss how it stores information about customers under General and Company Code data tabs. But first, let's start from the beginning. What is SAP Customer Master and how does it work? The Customer Master data contains complete information about your customers. It also controls how business transactions are recorded and processed in the system, thus minimizing mistakes to ensure continued synchronization of accurate information throughout the supply chain while ordering, shipping, and invoicing products. Now, you might be thinking, what information? SAP Customer Master Data is broadly divided into three sections: General Data, Company Code Data, and Sales Area Data. The General Data tab stores the very basic information about the business, such as customer name, address, and contact information. The Company Code data contains information specific to a company code, such as reconciliation account, payment, and dunning procedures. But what is Company Code? Company Code is the smallest organizational unit of a company for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be created in SAP. This includes transactions and all other individual financial statements, such as balance sheets and profit and loss statements. It is mandatory to define at least one company code, as all business transactions in SAP are entered, saved, and evaluated at a company code level. The Sales Area data contains information relevant to the sales organization and distribution channels of your company, including order processing, billing, and shipping specific data. We will discuss more on this in the next tutorial. Now, before we create a customer master, we also need to create a couple of more things. The first one being account group. Customer account groups in SAP are used to classify customers into business partner functions that best fit the nature of the business transaction, such as liabilities accounts, assets accounts, or income accounts. The second prerequisite is the assignment of number range within account groups. You can define the number range for each account, and based on that range, a unique value will be assigned to a new customer created within an account group. In this example here, the range is defined for domestic customer account group between 5,000 to 5,999. So now, when a new customer account is created, it is automatically assigned a unique value in between this number range. The last requirement is to create a reconciliation account. Reconciliation account in SAP is used to reconcile the sub-ledgers of each account group with your main general ledger. Now again, in this example, we have a reconciliation account for trade vendors. Any debit or credit from an individual vendor will be reflected in the reconciliation account for this entire group, and the same would then be posted in the general ledger.